everyone, my name is Jasmine Aulia Putri from 11th grade Computer and Engineering 3. I will make strike cable. Here have the tools and materials. First, I have UTP cable, RG45 connector, crimping tools, scissor, or you can use cable cutter too. LAN cable tester, this is optional. First, cut the cable to length you want. I use stripper to cut the outer jacket of the cable. Second, remove the outer jacket from both ends of the cable. Third, arrange the 8 small wires inside the cable using this order: white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, and brown. Fourth, make the wire strike in same length. Fifth, put the wires into the RG45 connector carefully, following the color order. Then, press the connector using a crimping tool to loop the wires inside. Next, do the same for the other end of the cable. And finally, test the cable with the LAN tester to check if it works. If it like this, it means it worked. that's all from me. I hope my explanation about strike cable is clear and useful. Thank you for your attention.